How to redeem and use One4all gift card online. Hey everybody, welcome back to our official help desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can redeem your One4all gift card online. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Head over to any of your web browser and at the top search bar, type in One4all. As you do so, you will see its official website on the first search result. Tap open that link, then you will get landed onto this site. Here you will see a lot of gift cards. Click on any one that you would like to buy. Click on buy now. And here click on add to cart. Scroll below. Now here click on add discount code. Type in the code that you would like to redeem. Once done, click on apply discounts. And if your code is valid, you will be able to redeem your discount code. Once done, click on proceed to checkout, and that is how you can do it. So that wraps up today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then all you have to do is comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell icon so that you will get a notification whenever we post. Thank you for watching. We will catch you up soon.